Are you happy, Stephen?
What?
Are you happy, Stephen? It's the question that Christine Palmer asked me at her wedding. Truly, I'm just glad that you're happy.
I really, really am.
Good.
Are you?
I'm happy. I wondered why I lied.